Bend yourself. Yeah.
Pain, but
so in the treatment,
I felt nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
But the pain now come back.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
A little bit. How little bit?
About 5, 6.
5, 6 now.
Yeah.
Okay. It could be. Yeah. It could be a fake feeling. How about your hand?
Do you know whenever when I think in my brain that my pain is coming,
yeah,
that's straight away it attacks me,
yeah,
like in my arm.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
That's why I'm talking to my daughter.
So is your arm got the full strength now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Full strength. Okay.
Yeah, I'm feeling that. Yeah.
So before the treatment,
yeah,
your arm is powerless. You don't have.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. You
I said that I couldn't grab.
Okay.
I couldn't grab.
So during the treatment, half hour into the treatment, you said there's no pain.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It could be a fake pain feeling because your mind get used to that stage, that period, that experience. But your arm telling the pain all gone. Otherwise, you wouldn't have the full strength.
Yeah.
Okay.
But why is that attack? Like when I think about that pain,
yeah,
like before I came here,
yeah,
instantly comes in my arm, it's like I told her, like it's like someone's pulling here and someone's pulling here that way.
Okay. Yeah.
Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
I explain that one later.
Yeah.
Can you grab the other machine here? Yeah.
It's on the thingy.
Yeah.
Table.
Don't worry about that now. So your pain at least drop half.
Half, yeah.
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 So we're happy to hear that. And I hope it changed dramatically today, and then to leave you have a good resting night. Yeah. I hope.
Like every night, every single day, do you know how many hours I sleep? About maximum 3-4 hours only.
Okay.
I don't go deep sleep because of my hand pain.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah. And you take painkiller every 4
yeah,
hours.
every 4 hours, and they're really strong ones, Yeah. Morphine, tramadol, pregabalin, paracetamol.
With the pain feeling now, do you think you need to take painkiller now?
When I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna have my food. I'm gonna have it after that. Yeah.
Okay, I told you don't have food tonight.
But I have to have something because I'm diabetic.
No. You need listen to me. Listen to me.
So I have to have vegetables.
Yeah.
Okay.
You get little vegetable. That's it.
Yes, I
tonight.
have got peas. Yeah, peas, vegetables.
Little bit oil is okay.
All right.
So olive oil, and if you got butter, that's okay as well.
What about fruits? Can I have fruits?
Fruit you better avoid because fruit got sugar there.
Sugar in it.
Vegetable, the fiber vegetable is good for your gut bacteria.
All right, yeah.
And you can have a better sleeping.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
All right.
I'll see that.
Fully understand now.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think we got a very good result today. Yeah. How do you feel?
I hope so, inshallah.
So you got full strength of your arm. Yeah.
Yeah.
And your pain drop half. That's it, or even. So, how long has this pain been?
I think now 2 months or.
2 months.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the pain level today? Let's say 0 to 10.
Maybe 9.
9, very pin, yeah?
Yeah.
Very strong, okay.
Yeah.
So you point to me, which part you start the pin? You point to me.
Here,
Yeah,
that side,
Yeah.
this side,
yeah.
and go down there.
Go down there.
And that side.
Up, down,
Yeah,
there, down
yeah,
to
yeah.
there, okay?
Yeah.
So you got majorly this side,
Yeah.
or your bum, and is go down to there.
Yeah.
Does it go down here?
Yeah.
Small leg as well?
Yeah.
Any, or your
No,
toe?
not down there.
No toe.
Only the middle.
Okay, pin 9 now. So does it affect your walking, affect you anything?
Yeah. When I walk, like sometimes I feel like all the nerve is like
Okay.
How
do you sleep last night? Is it good?
Yeah, I sleep. When I sleep, it's okay. But the problem is
Last night you sleep well?
Yeah, I sleep well.
Okay. Have you used any painkiller?
No.
Not so far. Been 2 months, you said. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, understand. Not a problem.
But some.
Yeah, see again, Sam. So you said we got your treatment the other day. You got all healing well, no problem with your leg. And before this treatment today, you said the leg slightly got problem. How do you feel now, the leg?
I feel better. This is not pain in it.
If you touch it, all gone?
No, nothing.
Yeah. Your smile is far bigger than the other day.
Yeah.
Which I'm so happy. And you got about nearly 30 minutes snoring, sleeping, and that's the best treatment.
I totally sleeping in there,
Yeah, great. Pin is about a week. Yeah. That's the pin level from 0 to 10. What is your pin level now? 9, 10. You have to see it. Extremely clear. So that is 9 on 10. How do you feel sleeping last night? I can't remember how long we started. You said we come from June swinging. Okay. And then, so a week ago, I had last service. So you do regular sports. Just very quickly. Or if you like to do, I'll call you later.